Hello children, in today's video we will write the first letter of the given pictures. Okay, see, now look at this sheet, look at the first picture children. Now tell me which picture is this. This is the picture of a net. Okay, N for net. The first letter of net is N, so you will write here N. Okay, N for net. Okay, now come to the next picture. This is the picture of a pencil. P for pencil. Okay, the first letter of pencil is P, so let's write here P for pencil. Okay, now come to the next picture. This is sun. S for sun. The first letter of sun is S, so let's write here S. Okay, S for sun. Now come to the next picture. U for umbrella. Okay, the first letter of umbrella is U, so let's write here U. Okay, this is ice cream. I for ice cream, so let's write here I. Okay, I for ice cream. Now come to the next picture. This is moon. M for moon. The first letter of moon is M, so let's write here M. Okay, M for moon. Now this is top. T for top. The first letter of top is T, so let's write here T. T for top. Now this is X for Xmas tree, so let's write here X. Okay, this is apple. A for apple, so let's write here A for apple. Okay, children, now take out your Cardova term 1 book, take out page number 22. Okay, now see here children, what we have to do. We have to match correctly and trace the letters with crayons. Okay, so see here, this is capital A and this is small a, so let's match capital A with small a. Okay, this is capital B and this is small b, let's match capital B with small b. Okay, this is capital C and small c, let's match capital C with small c. Okay, this is capital D and this is small d, so let's trace capital D, match capital D with small d. This is capital E and this is small e, let's match capital E with small e. Okay, this is capital F and this is small f, so let's match capital F with small f. Capital G and small g, let's match capital G with small g. Capital H and small h, let's match capital H with small h. Now what you will do, you will take out your crayon or your color pencil and you will trace the letters. Okay, see here, slanting line, another slanting line and a sleeping line. Okay, then standing line, curve, another curve. Okay, then you can use different colors. Okay, see, and this is D, E, F, G, H, then see here, this is small c, then A, small b, small e, small f, small d, small h and small g. Now take out page number 37. Okay children, same way let's match here also. Okay, see this is capital I and this is small I. So let's match capital I with small I. This is capital J and this is small j. Let's match capital J with small j. This is capital K and this is small k. So let's match capital K with small k. Capital L, small l. Let's match capital L with small l. Capital M, small m. Let's match capital M with small m. Capital N, small n. Let's match capital N with small n. Then capital O, small o. Let's match capital O with small o. Capital P, small p. Let's match capital P with small p. And let's trace the letters. Okay. See here. Okay, standing line, sleeping line, I. Then standing line with a curve, J. Standing line, slanting line, another slanting line, K. Standing line and sleeping line, L. Standing line, slanting line, another slanting line, then again a standing line, M. Standing line, slanting line, then again a standing line, N. Then a circle, O. Standing line and a curve, P. Okay, you can use different colors children. See a standing line, slanting line, another slanting line, small k, standing line, first curve, second curve, M, standing line and a dot, small I, standing line with a curve and a dot, small j, standing line, small l, standing line and a curve, small p, standing line and a curve, small n, then a circle. This is small o. Now come to the next page children. Take out page number 59. Okay, same way let's match and trace here also. Okay, see here, this is capital Q and this is small q. Let's match capital Q with small q. This is capital R, small r. Let's match capital R with small r. Capital S, small s. Let's match capital S with small s. Capital T, small t. Let's match capital T with small t. Capital U, small u. Let's match capital U with small u. Capital V, small v. Let's match capital V with small v. Capital W and small w. Let's match capital W with small w. Capital X, small x. Let's match capital X with small x. Capital Y, small y. Let's match capital Y with small y. Capital Z, small z. Let's match capital Z with small z. Now let's trace the letters. Okay. See here, draw a circle and a slanting line. This is Q, standing line, curve and a slanting line. This is R. Then curve, turn over, draw another curve. This is S. Okay, standing line and a sleeping line, T. Then draw a curve, U, slanting line, another slanting line. This is V. Okay, slanting line, second slanting line, third slanting line, fourth slanting line. This is W, slanting line, then another slanting line. This is X, slanting line and a slanting line. This is Y, then sleeping line, slanting line, then another sleeping line. This is Z. Okay, now come to the small letters. Small curve and another curve. This is S, curve and a standing line, U, standing line and a curve, R, curve and a standing line, Q, slanting line, another slanting line, V, standing line with a curve and a sleeping line. This is T, slanting line, then another slanting line with a curve. This is Y, sleeping line, slanting line, another sleeping line. This is Z, then slanting line, second slanting line, third slanting line, fourth slanting line. This is W, then slanting line, another slanting line. This is X. Okay children, same way you can do this. Okay, Now that's all in today's video. We shall meet in the next video. Goodbye.